What's up, everybody? Today we're going to talk about the D-Link DAP 1900 not connecting to router, a WPS setup. Step number 1, power on your extender. Plug in your D-Link DAP 1900 and wait for the LEDs to start blinking orange. Step number 2, press the WPS button on your main router and hold it for about 3 seconds. Step number 3, within 2 minutes, press and hold the WPS button on your D-Link DAP 1900 for 5 seconds. Step number 4, the LED will blink green during the setup and turn solid green once the connection is successful. Step number 5, connect your device to the new extender Wi-Fi network labeled D-Link_EXT and test your internet. And that's it. Thanks for watching.